everyone, this is Akanksha from Englogger. Yesterday, I went to the market. There, I met my friend, and he asked me, "Do I like teaching?" I said, "Yes, I do. I love teaching." And the same question I also asked from him that what does he do in his free time. Then he replied me that he does many things when he gets time. Then there was one thing that which confused me, that why when I'm talking about I, there I am using do. I do like, right? But when I'm talking about him, then I'm using he does. Why is it so? It's a very easy but common mistake which we are making. So here we talk about in this video where we have to use do, does, did, has, have and had. So let's get started. So here today's topic, that is where to use do, where to use does, did or has, have, had. The very first thing is which I'm making you clear about did and had. Did and had we have to use with past tense. If we are using or if we are making any sentence in past tense, there we have to use did and had. Clear? Next is do and does. Though both we are using in present tense, but there is something which we need to learn, that is usage of do and does. Like we have two families when we are talking about this do, does, did and has, have. We have two families, that is singular family and plural family. In singular family we have singular, that is I, no. In singular family we have he, she, it. These three we have in singular family. And next we have plural family. In plural family we have I, you, we, they. You know about singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one. But here's a confusion, that when you will do singular and plural, I have mentioned in plural family I, not in singular family. Reason behind it is that though I is singular, but we are using all the rules of plural with I, and we are considering I into plural family. So I, we, you, they, these all are plural, and he, she, it, these are singular. When we are talking about singular and present tense, there we have to use does with singular. Whether it is he, whether it is she, whether it is it. He, she, it. It does, she does, and he does. He, she, it, singular, and with singular present tense we have to use does. Like he does play cricket. He doesn't have book. Does he have a notebook? So these are the usage of does. Does we have to use with singular he, she and it. But when we are framing question and the question starts from does, and if in a question we have or we are using has or have, so there we have to use have with does. Like does he have, not does he has. That's again rule, that when we are framing question with does, you will use have, not has. This is another rule, that is with does you will use have, not has. Next we have plural form. Then what is plural? That as I have already told you, I, you, we, they, these are plural. Then with plural, if I'll say I have this, do you have? Okay, we have, they have. So what are these? These are plural, and with plural we are using have when we are talking about present tense. That is singular and plural usage of do and does. Again, I am making you revise that the very first thing is we have discussed in this video, that is usage of do and usage of does. Singular family we have he, she, it, and plural family we have I, you, we, they. When we are using does, that we need to use with singular family, and when we are framing question with does, then with does we have to use have, not has. And next is plural family I, you, we, they. With plural family we have to use have, not has. Like I have, do you have, they have, and we have. I, you, we, they. With all these plural form we have to use have, not has. Next we have, okay, let's talk about usage of has, have, and had. Has and have we have to use in the same manner the way we have learnt about does and do. So does and do we have to use with singular and plural and in present tense. So similarly here also has and have we have to use with present tense and with singular. Okay, with singular family. Now here we have again one thing, that where to use has and where to use have. So has means when you are talking about singular, with singular and in present tense we have to use has. He has, she has, it has. Clear? Then when we are talking about had, I already told you that is did and had we have to use with past tense. I had done my work, I had gone there. So with had you have to use third form of the verb, that is had. For example, third form of the verb means go, went, gone. So gone we have to use with had. He had gone. So that is usage of had in past tense. I just hope that you have cleared about usage of do, does, did, has, have, had. One more thing, that don't get confused when you are talking about did and when you are talking about had. Then you will not think about okay singular or plural. With singular family or with plural family you have to use had, you have to use did. There is no option of that. Okay, so with singular and plural you have to use did and you have to use had. So with this I'll just end up this session. If you liked it, just mention in the comment section, or you can like, you can share, and you can subscribe English Logger. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay tuned.